We're spilling. Hold on. Gently incorporate flour.
Oh my god!
Shit! We got an overflow.
Dude!
Break the eggs. You should have done it beforehand. What did you do? That's just, it'll be fine. It's mostly fine.
Dude, that's not how you do it.
Yeah, you gotta push it together, right?
God.
Sorry.
That's good.
Business letter, but it's not going to get rectangle because it's wider on the one side than it is on the other. Thought maybe you would have known better, mother.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, mother.
Dude, I thought you know it.
Oh, it goes in here.
But then
It'll still be last.
He'll still be last.
Hey,
That was my Julia Child.
I got that.
Place flour on a clean work surface. All right, how much?
Still there was. Enough, you think?
That's a volcano.
That's a nest.
Average of 10%. And they will select
My nest wasn't good enough.
I don't know.
just in case you needed another reason to extend that vacation. Book the perfect
What the heck is that?
Part of the shell.
Uh-oh, I'm gonna overflow. Shit.
No, you're fine.
I really need one of these.
No, I don't fall.
Okay, now you're supposed to gently
Whisk it.
stir the egg with the fork, and then you're gonna gently incorporate the flour.
Keep it together. Now we're spilling. Hold on. First try. So.
Dude, you failed on your first try.
Well, yeah, it's my first. No, you're right. I don't. My yolks keep finding like I'm trying to get it like incorporated. We're gonna have terrible, terrible pasta. Chef Ramsay would be pissed. Yeah,
You can do it, dude.
well, this is what happens when you just kind of go in and start, going for it. I could really use that glass of wine now, though.
I'm on it.
See?
Wait, now.
When I was wrapped in spray, it's fine. But see, we made it.
It looks better, like, if you, like...
Maybe give it the presentation, see? That's what your ball is, spaghetti, or no, not spaghetti, just pasta. So your pasta is supposed to be in a bowl, like this, and then you're supposed to put it in the saran wraps
Saran wraps.
for at least half an hour.
The camera should be look like this so that your face will, because you're so tall.
Let's put it in the sun.
Here, this could be the footnote for it. Like this, maybe like this. Where?
Good question.
Making
Or is
pasta.
it the bottom? Like whatever's on the bottom?
It's soft now.
Soft AF. Yeah.
Become more softer.
It's very yellow because of those
Egg yolk.
eggs. The farm fresh eggs are so much more yellow.
Okay, so we gotta cut them into fours.
Yeah, and then we're gonna put the ones we're not using back in here so they don't get dry. Okay, so then you're gonna take this.
Should I have flour on my hands?
No. And we're just gonna, like, okay.
Just so I can get through here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Oh, is it supposed to be?
What?
Spin
Yeah,
it?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So you feed it through on the first one?
Yep, on one.
On one. See, that's what I remember last time when I did it. I was like doing the speed instead. So I feed it through.
So just send it through one time and then take it out here.
Oh,
Okay,
interesting.
now you take it. No, you don't have to shut that up. So then you fold it like we're gonna try and get it into like a good rectangle. So then you put it through that way.
Okay, on the same setting?
Yes, on one. A couple more times. Until we like the rectangle shape that it gets into.
Okay, like fold
No,
it, or
no, no.
What?
Like you fold in
Oh, so going
business
over it.
letter
Oh, okay.
and then go through that way.
Okay.
Business letter.
It's supposed to be spreading out that much. So you fold it like a business letter?
Yeah.
What? Yeah, there. Business letter.
Okay. All right, let's just go with it. Put it through 3 more times that way, but flip it around the other way. And then I would like take it and then feed it in that way.
Yeah.
It's not perfect, but
It doesn't have to be perfect.
3 times on 2.
3 times on 2.
Rotating each time I put it through there.
Yeah. Okay, and then go to 3. And then go all the way down to 6. Is 6 the lowest one?
No, 8.
Oh.
6.
I want to see how thick we want fettuccine. It even says that in here. I felt like last time I did it, it was too thick. There's not even any instructions.
So that's 6. I'm going 7.
Alright. Maybe 7 will be the last one.
7.
I think so. Okay, so we want it to be like,
I'm here.
yeah. Now I get to try one, and then I'll let you do it again after I do it.
But mother, it's supposed to be my turn to make pasta.
I only have used this once.
But today, we're making pasta with mother. And she's gonna show us how to do it. So pay attention now. She's gonna try and keep doing this.
Alright, you people. Laugh all you want. Right.
Oh.
Okay. And then you have to make sure that this thing is on 1, which it is.
Yeah.
And then you just start this by pushing it forward.
Oh. So I will go it
You
now.
feed it through there, yep.
Watch your fingers.
Like this.
Uh-huh. Hers is gonna be perfect.
Right. Business letter.
Uh-oh. Oh well.
I'll keep doing like this.
I'd do it one more time
One
probably,
more time,
and then
maybe,
go down to the
and then
next
you can
setting.
start.
Then like this.
Yeah. Okay.
6 and 7, 2 also.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh,
What?
we're only going through 1 on 6 on 7.
Oh, it's going here.
Well, yeah, careful.
Are you on 7 already?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it then.
Cut it in half. Jane's pasta.
Press play for 10% off your first month.
Stitch Fix. Shopping is hard. Let's talk about it.
I don't have time to shop for clothes.
I have to buy everything in 3 sizes. But one that fits. No one can post office. Workout wear is my only wear.
So we've all done a round of pasta now.
Just show your size.
There, you can have the last one if you want.
You want me to have the last one? Okay.
Get in there.
Whoa. Interesting. Pasta.
Do we throw the scraps in?
I don't know. Do some of this, you can. Then you just kind of like put them in a little, like,
The clouds?
little nest like that.
Let me try one over there.
You like the flour on it.
Oh, you like the flour on it?
Yes,
Okay.
so that won't stick.
So just kind of let it go on.
Let it
I
go.
won't catch it when it comes out.
Let it go.
we just put it in little piles.
Yep.
Circle.
I'll let Jane try if she wants to.
Yeah, I will. The last one. Sawa.
Why don't you do the last couple?
The last. No, the only one. And you make it circle, circle.
Well, it doesn't have to be circle, circle.
Like a nest.
You're a nest. Obviously, if you've seen my nest building skills, I wasn't good at it earlier when I was trying to build a nest for the pasta. Maybe I'm gonna be good at building a nest with pasta already done.
Then, like a nest.
There we go. There's our pasta.
Homemade pasta. With smile, smile. You're happy. You know, you look like that. No, it's a... Yeah, like that. Look here. Your master chef.
Oh, I wasn't recording that whole time. That's too bad.
Too bad. Okay, so we want this chicken to be 155.
Cribbage was happening there.
Back in the drawer for me, Jane?
He's down there watching the sports game.
Dallas Cowboys versus the Denver Broncos. Exciting stuff.
Oh yeah, I thought you knew how to do that.
I thought I was feeding it in here like this. Now it's stuck in there.
No, it's stuck in there.
I can't get my cheese out of my hole.
Mine, because I there.
Which way is the best way to do it? I feel like it's really... This is made for like left-handers, I think.
This starts to happen with my broccoli and I can't.